The pivot plate is part of your saw's blade guard assembly. The lower guard and guard spring are attached to the plate. The plate secures the guard assembly to the saw. Most problems with the pivot plate are the result of accidental damage, such as something hitting the saw. Replacing the pivot plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard assembly from the saw. I'll spin the saw around and remove the screw that secures the guard link to the rear of the saw. And now I can remove the guard. Now remove the guard link from the guard. Now remove the pivot retainer from the guard to disassemble it. Now I can install the new pivot plate. I'll transfer the spring over to it and the rubber bumper. Now I'll reassemble the guard. I'll align the guard spring with the hole in the guard. I'll pivot this around so the rubber bumper is on the inside of the guard, aligned with this tab. I'll hold everything in place as I install the pivot retainer and resecure it with the screw. Now reinstall the guard link. Now begin reinstalling the guard. First, I'll connect the rear of the guard link. Now reinstall the guard. And that's all it takes to install a new pivot plate on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.